In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Jira using Atlassian Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step. Let's start by locating the Create button or icon, which often appears as a plus sign. You'll typically find this option in the top navigation bar or within your project's main view, making it easily accessible no matter where you are within the application. Once you've located and clicked the Create button, you'll see a drop-down or panel that appears on your screen. This panel is where you'll select the issue type you're looking to create. In this context, since we want to add a task, you'll go ahead and select Task from the list of available issue types. After choosing Task, you'll need to ensure that you're working within the correct project. To do this, simply select the appropriate project from the Project drop-down menu. This step is crucial to keep your workflow organized and ensure that the task lands in the correct location. With the project selected, it's time to fill in the issue details. Begin with a summary, which is essentially a concise and descriptive title for the task. Think about the key aspects of the task to craft a summary that is both informative and to the point. Moving on to the description, you'll want to provide a more detailed explanation of the task itself. This is where you can add any necessary context or instructions, making it easier for the assignee to understand what's expected and why the task is important. Next up, it's time to assign the task. You'll do this by selecting the name of a team member or user from the drop-down. Assigning the task correctly is vital for accountability and ensures that the right person is responsible for its completion. Depending on how your project is set up, you may encounter additional fields to fill out, such as priority, due date, or labels. These fields help further categorize and prioritize the task within your project, so it's beneficial to complete them as accurately as possible. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information, review your entries to make sure everything is in order. When you're satisfied with the details, click the Create button to finalize the task creation. This final action will officially add the task to your Jira project, allowing your team to start working on it right away. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently add a task in Jira, keeping your project streamlined and ensuring your team remains on track. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.